What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the episode of Live Made Easy. Today I'm going to be doing a product review of the Crave Power Bank, Crave Plus Pro, and let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Okay, so before the video guys starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it.
So guys, this is a new product that Crave just came out with. It's their new power bank that comes with a giant whopping 20,000 milliamp hour battery, as well as quick charge 3.0 and dual ports plus power delivery, and this is USB Type-C. So this is what it looks like on Amazon. Currently goes for around $99 on Amazon. Yeah. So as you can see, it has dual USB inputs here and a USB-C input and output. So you can charge two things at once. Actually, three things at once if you want to use the USB-C as well. You can charge a laptop, and yeah, you can basically charge basically anything: phones, tablets, all that good stuff. And it's very compact and has an aluminum case, making it very sturdy. Now I'm going to switch from my desktop to my camera, and I'll be doing an unboxing and review. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so guys, I'm now going to be doing an unboxing and review of this product. Let me just go over what the box is. Let me just zoom in on this. Here's some of the specs. 20,000 milliamp hour battery, usually takes 3 to 4 hours to charge. And there's the dimensions right here. And polymer body, Type-C input and output. And yeah, it's fast charge. Here's a picture of it. And yeah. Okay, let me just set this down, and we can do an unboxing of this power bank. Let me just wipe off the camera lens. Okay. So here we go. I start tearing it open from here. Comes in a nice case, good packaging, and this thing feels heavy. Definitely got some weight to it. So this aside. So now just the box, and kind of opens like an Apple case. And here we go. This is literally the same size as the thing on the cover. I reached out to this company mainly because I needed a battery charger for my Methane backpack. I did a review on that earlier. I'll put a card in the top right corner here. If you guys want to go check out that backpack that comes with a built-in charger, all you need is a battery pack. Oh, that's cold. So, yep. Oh, what's this? American owned, quality, best value, leading technology, all that good stuff. If you guys want to go follow Crave anywhere, there's their social media. So you can do that. So let's just get this thing out of here and see what it comes with. Okay, that's good. I didn't know if this came with a USB-C cable, and here's the warranty. You guys want to read that? Put that aside. Crave. Can I open this? Or is this sealed? Nope. Is this a little manual? Yep, I think this is a little manual, just telling you what it is, but it's pretty self-explanatory how this works. Oh, it shows the charge level, which is good. So this is good right here. How the heck am I gonna get this out of here? This is a female USB to a male, or USB-C to a male standard USB cable or adapter. I don't know what you would use this for, but maybe if you just want to charge through USB-C, you can do that. I don't know why, but this already comes with a USB-C input. Man, this thing is big. This thing could charge your phone for days. And so let me just get this cable out. It's a braided cable. Wow, they really pay attention to quality. So this is, I'm guessing, a high-speed USB-C cable. These are actually really good to have because my phone is also USB-C. So if I ever break my cable, I can use this as a backup. And it says Crave on here. Crave right there. So yeah, that's good. Okay, so now it comes in more plastic. Or can I just slip this out? No, to tear it. Okay, so here it is itself, the Crave Plus Pro. This is their I think it's their newest product they've launched. I don't know if they've launched any more, but yeah, as you can see. Okay, so guys, so initial impressions for this, I'm not going to do a full review, but yeah, I'm currently charging it. Has cool lights that light up. This is the power button, I believe, and this thing is a beast. I'm glad that it has multiple different ports for you to charge your devices with. That's a plus. You can just tell this is made with such precision and detail. They really paid attention to detail for this product. I'd highly recommend going out and getting this. It's 20,000 milliamp hour battery, so this is going to last you forever, and I honestly don't have any doubts that this won't charge your device 6 times, 7 times over, honestly. And I'm glad it's USB-C, so it's very fast charging. That's good. Some Android phones have a big battery and take a lot to charge, but this one, I'm guessing is going to be good, long lasting. I'm going to put this in my backpack to charge my phone, and yeah, I highly recommend this. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to go get this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and make sure to subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, causing my hysteria.